Yes, starting.
Hi viewers, myself Rakesh. Currently I am working as a .NET programmer in Spiro group of companies in Chennai. So let's look at our title. Our title is System Dynamic Multi-Service Load Balancing in Cloud-Based Multimedia. So this is our title. So let's look at the abstract. Abstract is we study about centralized hierarchical cloud-based multimedia system that consisting of a resource manager, cluster heads and server clusters, in which the resource manager assigns clients that request for multimedia service task to server clusters according to the task characteristics, and then each cluster head distributes the assigned task to the servers within its server cluster. For such a complicated CMS means centralized cloud-based multimedia system. So that is a CMS. However, it is our search challenge to design an effective load balancing algorithm. So this is the abstract of our concept. So let's look at what is the existing and proposed. So existing concept is the server cluster handles only a specific type of multimedia task, and each client requests a different type of multimedia service at a different time. Such a scenario can be modeled as an integral linear programming problem. So this is the existing concept. So which technique we used in existing concept? Decentralized framework. This is the existing technique name. So we need to know technique definition. So decentralized framework nothing but the decentralized CMS. Each time it receives client's request from multimedia service task, the resource manager of a centralized CMS stores the global service task load information collected from server clusters and to client cluster. So this is the technical definition. So what is the proposed concept? In this proposed system, we implemented a centralized and we proposed a genetic algorithm for the constant dynamic load balancing problem in CMS. The resource manager of the centralized stores the global service task load information collected from the server clusters and decides the amount of client's request assigned to each server cluster, so that the load of each server cluster is distributed as balanced as possible in terms of the cost. So this is the proposed concept. So proposed technique is genetic algorithm. So what is a genetic algorithm? And load balancing algorithm also. So what is the technique definition? Load balancing algorithm that spreads the multimedia service task load and severals with the minimal cost for transmitting multimedia data between server clusters and clients. So this is the proposed and existing. So what is the drawbacks and advantages? Drawbacks is decentralized framework method is suitable for only small collection of system only. So this is the drawback of existing concept. So what is the advantage? The centralized CMS framework is scalable. So this is the advantage. So let's look at the overall diagram. So this is the overall diagram. This is the server clusters and resource manager. So this is the main concept is one cloud using many services. Suppose one of the real-time example is YouTube. We will get the only videos only. We can't get the audios and images. In this system, one cloud using many services. Services means nothing but different services. For example, I will say 3 services: images, audios, videos. So we will get the 3 services only one cloud, only based on one application only. So this is the overall diagram of our project. So what is the hardware and software requirements? Software requirement: operating system Windows 7, front end Microsoft Visual Studio 2010, coding language C#, back end SQL Server 2008. Hardware requirement: processor Pentium dual core 2 GHz, hard disk 40 GB, mouse Logitech, RAM 2 GB minimum, keyboard 10 keys enhanced. So this is the. And what is the future system? Future concept: in this project we will add 2 methods, the key generation method and file sort view method. Key generation method is for secure for file retriever, file insert into the cloud. This is the future concept. Future technique is probable data procession model. So this is the future technique. What is the future technique definition? Probable data transmission is a technique for ensuring the integrity of data in outstoring storage service. So this is the future technique. What is the advantages of future technique? Provide secure for file storage. We can secure our data in the future concept. Thank you.